Hello students, welcome to a maths period. Today's our topic is subtracting weights. In that the first is given subtracting grams. The example is given subtract 827 gram minus 248 grams. So this example is solved here. So let's understand this example first. As gram is given, so we have made here gram column, and in that we'll put the values as per the columns. So as 7 is on ones place, so 7 is on ones, 2 is on tens, so 2 is on tens, 8 is on hundred, so 8 is on hundred place, minus, now again 248, so 8 is on ones place, 4 is on tens, and 2 is on hundred place. Now we'll subtract the given values starting from the ones column. Now 7 minus 8. As you know, the first condition of subtraction is what? The first number should be bigger than second one. Here 7 is not bigger than 8, so we can't subtract it directly. So what we have to take a borrow from it next. Now 2 is there. If we take 1, how many will remain here? Only 1. And here become 110 plus 7 is become 17. Now 17 is bigger than 8, so we can subtract it. So count after 8 up to 17. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many? 9. So we'll write here 9. Now, how many will remain here? 1 is left here. So 1 minus 4. Now 1 is smaller than 4, so we can't subtract it. So again we have to take a borrow from it next. Now next 8 is there. If we take 1 from it, how many will remain here? 7. And 110 plus 2, 110 plus 1 is become here 11. Now 11 is bigger than 4, so we can subtract it. So count after 4 up to 11. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many left? 7. So 7. Now 7 minus 2. As 7 is bigger than 2, so we can directly subtract it. So what we will do? We will count after small number up to big number. Now count after 2 up to 7. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 5. So your answer is 5. So what is the answer here? 579 grams. This is how we can solve. Now second is subtracting kgs or kilograms. The example is given subtract 93 kgs minus 25 kgs. So first we need to make a column kgs, and in that the place the value as per the place value of that particular digit. So 93 minus 25. So after subtraction, what is the answer here? 68. 68 in kgs. So 68 kilogram is your answer. Now next is subtract gram and kilograms. Now subtracting grams and kgs. Example is given subtract 63 kg 720 gram minus 34 kg 468 grams. So first what we have to do here, so example is solved, but what first we have to do? We have to first make the columns kilograms and grams. So two columns are there, kilograms and gram, and then put the value as per the place value of that digit. So 63, now 3 is on ones place, so 3 is on ones place of the kg, and 6 is on tens place of the kgs. Remaining 720, so 0 is on ones place of the kilogram, 2 is on tens place of the kilogram, and 2 is on tens place of the gram, and 7 is 100 place on the gram, minus 34 kgs 468 grams. So after subtracting, what is the answer of the subtraction? 29 in kilograms. So how we will read it? 29 kg 252 gram. So now we'll start exercise 5.7. Now in that the first question is given, what weight must be added to balance the following pans? Write in the correct box. So here two pans are given, or the weight lifting machine is there, so and two pans, this two called as a pan, and to balance this pan to become equal, what weight we have to put in which pan and how much, that we have to write. So here in this first lifting machine, weight lifting machine, in first pan 5 kgs are there, and here 5 kg and 1 kg. So 5 plus 1 is become 6 kgs. Now what we have to do, we have to make this, we have to balance these weights. So for this we have to add 1 kg in this pan, that will become equal. So 6 here is also 6 and here will be 6 again. So how much weight we have to add here? 1 kgs. So what we will write here, in this pan we have to add how much weight? 1 kg. So we'll write here 1 kg weight we have to add, that will become balance. So 6 and 6 will be there, so it will be balance. Now here 2 plus 1 is become 3 kgs, right? And here 5 plus 2 kgs plus again 2 kgs and plus again 1 kg. So how many are there total? 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 kg weight is given in this one pan. So how much weight we have to add to become it balance? So here is 3 is given. So how many we have to add to become it 10 kgs? So 10 minus 3 is what? 7 kgs. How many we have to add? 7 kgs we have to add. That will become here 10, 10. That will be the balance weight is there. Okay. Now next is given. Next, find the difference. You have to find the difference of the given subtractions. Now first is given 854 minus 387 grams. Starting from ones column of the digits. So 4 minus 7. Now 4 is a smaller than 7, so we can't subtract it. So we have to take a borrow from it next. Now next is 5. So how many remain if we take 1 from here? 4. And here will be 110 plus 4 is become 14. Now 14 is bigger than 7. Now we can subtract 7 from 14. So count after 7 up to 14. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 7. So we'll write here 7. Now 4 minus 8. Again 4 is a smaller than 8, so we can't subtract it directly. So we have to take again borrow from it next. Now next is 8. If we take 1 from here, how many will left here? 7. And here 110 plus 4 is become 14. So 14 minus 8. Now count after 8 up to 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 6. So we'll write here 6. Now 7 minus 3. Now 7 is bigger than 3, so we can subtract it. So count after 3 up to 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 4. So your answer is here 467 gram. Okay. Now I hope you can try B1. Here I'll take C. 72 kilograms minus 27 kgs or the kilogram. So starting from ones column, 2 minus 7. As 2 is smaller than 7, so we can't subtract it. So take a borrow from it next. If we take 1, how many left here? 6. And here 110 plus 2 is become 12. So 12 minus 7. Count after 7 up to 12. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 5. So 5. Now 6 minus 2. Count after 2 up to 6. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 4. So we'll write here 4. So what is the answer here? 45 kilograms. I hope you can solve D1. E. 74 kgs 368 grams minus 32 kgs 259 grams. Starting from ones column, 8 minus 9. Here 8 is smaller than 9, so we can't subtract it. So what we have to do, we have to take a borrow from it next. Now next is 6. If we take 1 from here, how many will remain here? 5. And here become 110 plus 8 is become 18. Now 18 is bigger than 9, so we can subtract it. So count after 9 up to 18. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many? 9 are there. So we'll write here 9. Now 5 minus 5. So if same number are subtracting, answer will be 0. We have seen this in the property. So 0. 3 minus 2, as 3 is bigger than 2, so we can subtract it. So count after 2 up to 3, that is 3. So 1 is there. 4 minus 2, count after 2 up to 4. After 2, 3, 4, that is 2. 7 minus 3, count after 3 up to 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is 4. So what is the answer here? 42 kgs, 109 grams. This is how you can solve. I hope you can try last one sum.